My name is Bidemi, aka Shugakyng. Hello, hi, hi Maria. I am a portrait, wedding, lifestyle, documentary, street photographer. Wow, it's a long story. So I think let's say I didn't really like people going to the studio to take pictures like back then. So I'm like, why do you have to go to the studio to go and take? But most time when I get my phone, I'm always like retouching, like editing people's pictures. So my friends tell me that, Fidemi, Alpha, go and start off photography. I'm like, how? So I started looking up. So back then on Instagram, I started looking at TY Bello's pictures. Like I got familiar to the pictures, like so I work that if I see the picture without the watermark, I just know that, oh, this is TY Bello. So I love those, like the feeling I'm always like getting when I'm seeing at work. So I be like, okay, let me just give it a try. So I woke up one morning, just like, oh, I just woke like in middle random. I just woke up in the middle of the night, and first thing I just open my Instagram app, and the first thing that popped up on my screen was the photographic course. I'm like, this is sign. Like, is this a sign? So that midnight, I had to go through the page, and the next day, I just called my guy. Like, after guy, I want to give this photography thing a try. So they were doing a 1 month course, yeah, and I signed up. I went there, and after started the class, I'm like, okay, I'm liking this. So from outside, I'm not thinking that, oh, you just take pictures, just take your camera and snap. I'm like, oh man, this thing is different from the inside. But okay, I'm liking this. I'll do this for life. Like, sign. Challenges. It's just, I guess, it's just the, how I say it. Well, I see the dollar rate. The new dollar rate is really, the government can help us, regulate the price. Like, it's just stable. They wanna, oh yeah, this is what we're buying. But shit, scrap is expensive. Another thing is for creative. If they can, how I say it, help in getting like how you can buy instrumentally, like equipment. You buy an equipment and you pay instrumentally. They'll just talk about the creative block. Like sometimes you just get, if I get $10 million, I don't need work for like, if I don't deliver the job, I don't go work for like the next 2 months. $10 million. I go look say after I finish that work, you see that creative block wey block, e go melt. So I will do Prince Mason, Kelechi Amadi, our oga dem. Then my oga for light, Bami. Watermark too. Okay, you guys should check his page. And Emmanuel Oyelike too. And so other photographers. I have like YouTube photographers that I look up to. Like, I like the fact they do like collaboration. Yeah, good. Go out there, make mistakes. Like, don't be scared to make mistakes. Like, keep doing it. Comes out well, comes out great. It's the other way around. Just keep doing it. And make sure you learn from your mistakes. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube. So yeah, this is creative sports that like